Arfon, it's not fair.
I need a video camera right now.
I know.
It's like Star Summer videos. Because it's basically summer, right?
Yeah. Shut up, Johnny.
I'm making a vlog, so say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Pretty?
Hello.
Pretty.
That's pretty fucking stupid. Go on, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Kiss. Kiss.
Mwah. Like that.
Go.
Give him a kiss.
Go. Give her a kiss. Stinky. She's stinky. Cutie. Ooh, that was kind of cool though. Yeah.
You look like the crypt keeper.
You look like.
Look at that. You look pretty cool.
Slay.
Slay,
Baby,
right?
a firework?
There's sun on me right now.
No, you're a plastic
She'll come.
bag thrown away in the
Oh,
wind.
there
Baby,
she's
your
coming. She's
plastic
coming.
bag. Come and get your money's wag.
So I'm gonna do a haul for you guys. So today we
Oh,
bought.
Jesus, like ran away.
Dislike. Boring. Actually, open comments. Boring. Never watch it again. So,
Yes. Wait, cue applause. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
dislike button. Dislike button.
You guys are fired.
You're fired.
You're fired.
fired.
Thumbs
Yeah.
down.
Fired.
Thumbs down.
Where's that from again?
Okay.
I don't
Calm
remember.
Calm the hut.
No, it's not that. No, it's
Calm the hut.
Oh!
Fired.
You're fired.
Beeline, keyline.
Put comments on OMG, OMG, Sinead, my favorite. Enter.
That is
Oh, no, I
fab.
forgot to put mine on.
Look, it's a little flower.
It's very cute.
Open
then-
comment. I would
me put it
literally
on.
marry Sinead
then-
at Enter.
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
it's giving like
Is that
very.
original?
And then this one.
Danny, come up with something original.
I like
My new favorite.
that
I'm
one.
out here.
Really?
I'm out here serving fucking.
Boy, 3 a.m.
It's the end of the thing. That is so cute.
Playing the clarinet.
Who wants to wear it?
I love that guy.
I love that guy. I die for him.
Kill you.
It's off my hair.
Go ahead and put your chain
Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, Emma.
on. I think it's pretty.
Look.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Open access, Johnny.
Say I if you want oatmeal. That's the name. I. So oatmeal.
No, Johnny. You need to get her come really close and then.
Hold him by his belly.
Like that?
Oh, what a beautiful.
The monkey's mine.
You have to leave it in there.
The monkey's mine.
Seamus, put me in that ditch over there.
Look, it looks like a documentary. Wave at us.
This is. I'm living.
Look at me thinking it through. This is so clever.
It's Tarzan.
Yo, cover my eyes. It's getting hot in here. Motor's gone.
Someone save it.
Sleep on it.
Don't worry, dildo. Daddy's coming.
That stick is gonna break, bro.
Oh.
Seamus!
Wait, please be careful. Please be careful.
Oh my god. You're gonna break your back.
Do a flip. Yes, oh, he looks so
boy.
cute everywhere.
Oh, he's falling!
Look at Daddy.
My daddy!
Dude, like Daddy.
Yeah.
Guys. So cute.
Oh my god.
You lingered a bit long there, Emma. It's just so sad.
But yeah, but this one.
It is, yeah.
He's such a good dad.
It makes all of the rules. Kind of trouble we can get ourselves into.
It's like cut.
Cut, that's it.
You just gave me a rat, like you're a rat.
That's really cute.
That's my dog.
Where'd he go?
Oh.
I've seen tricks like that.
skater boy. That's really cute. It's my little baby.
Seamus, come here. Give it a go.
Look.
Oh. Their new best friend.
Emma, this is a baby one.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
I know. What's his name?
I know
Oat milk.
why.